this one?
Yeah.
Other customer also they will bring the same.
15 kilo.
More than 50.
Okay lang?
Yep.
270.
No problem. Just take it.
Send me number. That one buckload. No, walang contact.
No have contact?
This one Philippine before you giving. That
Yeah.
one not working. Last cargo also same number you giving or another number?
Yeah, same.
May that problem.
Kailangan ng contact number sa Pinas.
Nag-send ko sa inyo.
Only sending it.
Ay, kumusta po?
Imelda to ma'am, no?
Imelda.
Sambuanga del Sur.
It's, and this number also have?
Yeah. Yeah, new.
This two, huh?
Yeah.
Last C cargo, which number you put? This one or another
Same.
one? This number?
Yeah.
But before
Must to make message, but then
before no,
Call.
before wrong number. That's why backload.
Yung nauna po ninyong bagahe na backload kasi daw po yung number ng tatanggap hindi matawagan. Baka may active
Walang-
number pa po kayo dyan ng receiver.
na-send ko na sa kanya.
Send nyo na sa kanya.
Ano to ma'am? 3?
3. 8.
Uwi ka ba?
Ano yan, pang graduation?
Ikaw pala si Jacqueline?
Opo.
Ha? Itong sinulat kong receiver.
Ito.
Si Josie pala. Okay, huwag na natin kay Josie.
Josie!
I send you your forward Sambuanga.
Ilang days yan darating?
Tracking number also. Ito po. Minsan po 15 days, minsan 20 days ganyan. Depende po sa flight. Kasi Monday, Thursday lang po ang flight eh.
Walang gadget to ma'am?
Wala.
Maximum 3 weeks.
Sign pa ako ma'am. Pakitago pa yun.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Tapos na. Mana day?